I'm Randy Moore, President of Iowa American Water Company, and I'd like to thank you for taking an interest in Iowa American Water. Providing good, clean, high-quality water, along with exceptional customer service, that's our #1 priority. Now, I realize that sometimes our customers may take that for granted, but our team of dedicated professional employees work day and night, around the clock, to make sure that we're providing that service, all at the turn of a tap.
Water. It's essential to life and one of our most precious natural resources.
Iowa American Water has been providing a public water supply to our customers since 1873.
Our customers rely on us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They don't think about us until they go to that tap and it's not working. So we take pride in making sure that when that customer, for whatever the reason, hygiene, gardening, washing their car, or just getting that glass of water in the middle of the night, that we're going to be there for them.
What a lot of people don't realize is that nearly every step you take up and down a city street, there is water main underneath of you. There's a fire hydrant on that corner. We have an infrastructure in place that allows you to go to your faucet, turn it on, and water comes out. So a lot of times people don't even think about Iowa American Water because we're doing our job properly and taking care of the precious resource that we all enjoy.
Our commitment to our customers is unending. We truly believe that they are the entire backbone of our company, and we do everything we can to service them.
Where else do you have a company that the people get up in the middle of the night, go and turn on your product without even turning the lights on many times because they know they're getting a safe, quality product?
At Iowa American Water, we care about water. It's what we do.
We work hard every day for great customer service from the people in the front office to the guys out in the field, the meter readers, all of us. We are part of the community, so they're our neighbors, and we want to make sure that they are given the best customer service that we can give them.
I'm a bilingual person. I'm able to speak Spanish and English. So when our customers come in and they don't speak English or don't speak it very well and they ask for a Spanish-speaking person, just the relief on their face when I'm able to go out and help them and explain their bill to them.
Our employees are involved with hydrant inspections, hydrant maintenance, as well as hydrant flushing programs, and it helps us in several ways. First of all, we have good water quality for all the customers we serve, and very important as well is we have great fire protection for the communities.
Customer satisfaction is always the most important thing, and to help them and get them through a situation that they just don't understand, can't take care of on their own, it gives you satisfaction at the end of the day that you've done something to help them out.
It's gratifying to know that that I can leave the house knowing that I've solved their problems and they're satisfied. And bottom line is, we're not just here to sell water, we're here to work with the people too.
In Iowa, we've been doing that for more than a century. From our historic East River Station treatment plant on the bank of the Mississippi River to our state-of-the-art radium removal plant in Clinton County. Providing high-quality water and professional wastewater service is our only business, and we're committed to doing that efficiently and at the best possible value for our customers.
Iowa American Water recognizes the need for an increased level of investment to keep up with our aging infrastructure. So we are continually looking for ways to proactively provide high-quality water and meet changing regulations.
So there is a lot of investment, approximately $10 million a year, that Iowa American makes into its infrastructure.
We hope that we're able to educate our customers about the value of their water service. We hope that they understand that when they pay their water bill, they're helping us make investments in needed improvements to the system that will keep the water flowing not only today but tomorrow.
Does not matter day, night, holiday, depending on the weather, whatever the circumstance, if there's a leak, we arrive on scene. We do not leave that site until the job is complete. Water service is restored to all of our customers.
In the event that we would lose electricity to our plant, We have the ability to take and to sustain all of our systems through backup generators.
We're always monitoring the water, not just when it leaves the treatment plant, but through the distribution system. We have personnel that are constantly out sampling and taking performing tests in the distribution system, so as to ensure that the quality of the water that leaves the facility of the treatment plant is maintained throughout the distribution system.
Well, I enjoy the water quality area of the water company because I like working with the customers. I like meeting with them, resolving their problems, making sure they have good water to drink.
Iowa American has developed strong relationships with the local and state health departments, the county health departments, and also with various organizations in the communities we serve.
We have a great working relationship with our partner fire departments and making sure that when they go to firefighter, they're going to have the pressure and the flow they need to do their job successfully.
And over the past 32 years, I've made some very strong relationships with different plumbers, contractors, cities, even the other utilities. And so on a moment's notice, we can call most of them and get help from them.
We also work very closely with mayors and city councilmen because of our private-public partnership, and we need to be able to have that relationship be very strong.
As the largest investor-owned water utility in Iowa, we strive to be the best at what we do. As water experts, we help set the standard for water quality.
The Iowa Department of Natural Resources regulates all water utilities throughout the state of Iowa, and they establish the regulations and standards that we must comply with to protect the customer's health.
I think it's kind of neat when somebody comes up to you and says, wow, our water really tastes good today. And I know that's because of what I did.
The Partnership for Safe Water is a voluntary program put together between EPA and various associations in the water industry that assist water suppliers in enhancing the performance of their water systems.
Iowa American Water is the only utility in the state of Iowa that is a member of the Partnership for Safe Water program and has received the Director's Award twice. And this award recognizes us for meeting the goals of the Partnership for Safe Water program, which is achieving a higher level of quality of water that we serve to our customers.
Protecting our water supply and the environment is a top priority. Throughout the year, we promote river cleanups, partner with our communities on safe medication disposal programs that protect our water supplies, and award grants to local environmental projects that protect and preserve our watersheds. We also take the lead on water education by visiting classrooms and sponsoring outreach programs like the National Theater for Children, Newspapers and Education, and Junior Achievement. The communities we serve are the foundation of our business. It's where we live, work, and raise our families. For all that they provide, we feel it is our responsibility to give back and support them through a commitment to service.
It's important that we're out in the community, serving our customers not only with the water that flows from their tap, but also at community events, quenching thirsts during races and runs and festivals that are happening.
And since we know how critical water is to our customers' lives, for over 20 years, our Project H2O Help to Others program has provided financial assistance through Community Action of Eastern Iowa.
No matter what time of day or night, week or weekend, when the phone rings, we go to work.
As union president, really appreciate the fact that the company supports us as far as giving us the tools, giving us the training in order to do our job safely, do it correctly. Myself, the rest of my coworkers take a lot of pride in what we do and the service that we provide, and just like the support of the company in order to do that the most efficiently.
At Iowa American Water, our employees are our greatest asset, and with their time, talent, and commitment, we make an even greater impact in our communities. Our significant contributions would not be possible without them.
It takes all of us to do what we do, whether it's billing or fixing a water main or doing the paperwork. We all rely on each other.
When the day's done, we leave the job knowing that we've done the best job we can, and we're protecting that water source that provides for not only your family but ours as well.
We offer competitive pay and benefits, extensive training, professional operator certification assistance, and a generous tuition reimbursement plan.
The reason I'm proud to be for the company is that they're showing interest not only in our customers and our communities, but they care about the employees.
It takes each department working to the fullest extent to provide great service to our customer. And after all, the customer is the ultimate focus of our operations. The provision of safe, reliable drinking water is the ultimate goal.
We are also committed to safety and making sure all of our employees return home each day to their families.
Safety is very important to all of us. It's no job worth doing without everybody being able to go home at the end of the night in one piece yet. And I think Iowa American as a whole does a very good job supporting us, giving us the things we need to do in order to do our job safely.
Top priority at Iowa American Water is safety for our employees and our customers.
As part of American Water, our customers benefit from 2 national 24-hour-a-day customer service centers and from American Water's nationally recognized testing laboratory. As an investor-owned water utility, we're held to a higher standard that benefits our customers.
As the only investor-owned water utility in the state of Iowa, we do fall under the Iowa Utilities Board. And what that means is that if we want to increase rates for the customers, we have to go before the board, present a lot of documentation, and plead our case. So it's not an automatic process just because we ask for a rate increase. It's scrutinized very heavily, and the ultimate decision is made by the Iowa Utilities Board.
The cost of water is a great value at a penny a gallon. You know, it's relatively inexpensive, especially in comparison to bottled water. The convenience of it right there at your tap, you don't have to, drive to the grocery store or worry about getting rid of the plastic bottles to save the environment. It's all right there.
As water experts, it's also our job to protect this critical resource.
The challenge we're faced with is to keep up with our aging infrastructure at a cost that provides the best value to our customers. To be able to reduce our costs, we seek partnerships within our community.
Currently, we work with our partner cities to make sure that we're doing our infrastructure upgrades at the same time they're doing street improvements. We're sharing costs, we're giving that benefit to the customer.
At Iowa American Water, we're proud to be your local water company, and we're proud to live and work among the customers we serve.
I've worked at Iowa American for over 32 years, but I've lived in the Quad Cities for 50. And the importance of the water is not just for me and my home, but also for my family and my friends and my neighbors.
I'm proud to work for American Water Works for almost 44 years.
I've been with this company for 35 years.
I've been with Iowa American for 27 years.
I've worked for the company for over 27 years. And from day one, I realized this was a special company.
What I like best about working at Iowa American Water are the people I work with every day. They are a dedicated group of professionals that truly do care about water and make sure that everything that we put into the customer's tap is of the highest quality.
I've worked with Iowa American Water for 34 years.
Just the way we treat people, the way we treat customers, it really makes me proud to work here.
Exceptional value, world-class customer service, and a commitment to protect this precious resource for generations to come. At Iowa American Water, we care about water. It's what we do.
For about 135 years, Iowa American Water, or our predecessor, has provided good, clean, reliable drinking water to our customers in eastern Iowa. And for 35 years, I've been part of that American Water team. Now, perhaps you're currently a customer of Iowa American Water, or you're considering becoming a customer. Whatever your case is, I'd like to make a commitment to you. We will continue to provide good, clean, reliable drinking water to you and your family for about a penny a gallon. It's our pleasure to serve you. You see, we care about water. It's what we do.